Right guys, it's time to get rid of the spoiler. So we need to remove these screws. Then we need to slice through all the silicone. Now the spoiler's unscrewed, we're going to have to slice through all that silicone. Now the spoiler's off, you can see it's left quite a bit of damage. So we're going to have to fill in them holes and then get it repainted. Quite a bit of damage here. So we need to fill in the holes and then we can get this repainted. Right, so what we're going to do now, we're going to sand these down. We've got to fill it in with P40 and then P38. Right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to be sanding it down to make a nice smooth surface before we fill it in with the P40. Once you've sanded it down, you should be able to see the bare metal underneath. That one is doing a bit more. Right, so now we're mixing this and we have 4 minutes to work with it and fill in these holes. Let's see how this goes. Right, now that that's mixed, we've got about a minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes left to apply onto here before it hardens. Right, now that it's starting to get thicker, you want to start working this into the holes. So the first part of the body filling is done. We're now just letting this completely dry. Right, then we can sand this down and do the next layer. So before applying the next step, which is the body filler, we now need to sand this down to make this nice and smooth. And that should leave the holes at least filled in. Right, once you've sanded that down, it should look like this. Now it's time to put on the body filler. Now you can see that we've gone over it with filler. Any small crevices and gaps have now been filled. And this is the final result after it's been painted, and I must say it's looking sleek.